Hopefully you now understand not only the basics of Periscope, but also why video streaming is so big, where it's heading, and how you can succeed on it. Essentially, this is like a live version of video marketing, but it gives you a lot of potential uses and advantages beyond other forms of marketing. Periscope allows you to interact with your audience in exciting new ways, and in the future, it could allow us to have eyes everywhere all at once. The keys to success? Well, it's the same as it's always been. Keep delivering high quality content and be consistent in terms of your regularity and your topic. If you do this, you'll gain a following and you'll build trust with that following rapidly. Finally, use the techniques that we've recommended to improve the production values of your video and gradually build a bigger and bigger audience. Talk about your Periscope channel. Build up big events. Share your videos on YouTube, build your Twitter following, and add widgets to your blog. Do all this, and you'll find you quickly rise to prominence on the platform. Best of all, though, is the fact that this is the very best time to get involved in live video streaming. This is an entirely new marketing platform that's highly likely to change the way we think about streaming content and to make the world an even smaller place. It's only a matter of time before live video streaming impacts on the world in a gigantic way and becomes a simple part of everyday life. Put in the work now and you can be a pioneer of this exciting new technology, and you can make sure that you've established an audience ready for when it really explodes and takes off. You may have missed the app rush. You may have missed the dot-com boom. But you're alive and ready at the right time to take full advantage of the early days of live video streaming. And guess what? Now that you've seen this video series, you have all the information, skills, and techniques that you need to make sure that you do that. Go forth and start streaming. And I wish you every success.